The dream of never touching a heavy, hot iron again is something almost anyone would pay good money to achieve. We have all seen those viral videos where a crumpled, messy shirt is tossed onto a sleek-looking frame, a button is pressed, and a few minutes later, it looks like it just came back from the professional cleaners. It looks like magic. It feels like the future. This specific device, the SteamLuxe, is currently riding a massive wave of social media hype by promising to eliminate the ironing board from your life entirely. The concept is straightforward enough. You stretch your garment over an inflatable or rigid frame, and the machine blasts it with a combination of heat and air to dry and smooth the fabric simultaneously. On paper, this is a total game changer for the morning rush. You could theoretically start the cycle, jump in the shower, and come back to a perfectly crisp outfit. But the gap between a flashy 30-second advertisement and the reality of your laundry room is often wider than we want to admit. Let's look at the actual performance. While the machine claims to handle everything from silk to wool, the results are often wildly inconsistent. If you are dealing with thin, lightweight synthetic blends, it might actually do a decent job of shaking out the surface tension. However, the moment you try to use it on a heavy cotton button-down or a pair of thick chinos, the physics of the situation start to fail. A traditional iron works because of the direct, heavy pressure applied to the fibers. This machine relies on air and ambient heat, which simply cannot press a sharp crease or tackle deep, stubborn wrinkles. You might wait 10 minutes for the cycle to finish only to realize the collar is still a mess and the sleeves are sagging. Then there is the sheer size of the thing. For a device that is supposed to simplify your life, it takes up a surprising amount of floor space. Even though it folds down, it is still a bulky piece of hardware that you have to haul out and set up every single time. Compare that to a simple handheld steamer that fits in a drawer and heats up in 30 seconds. The math just does not add up for most people. Then we have to talk about the marketing. Those deep discounts of 50 or 60% are a classic red flag. It is a common tactic for products that are manufactured cheaply and sold under various brand names across the internet. It is not necessarily a scam in the sense that you will not receive a product, but it is certainly a gamble in terms of long-term durability. When you are running 1400 watts through a generic heating element, you want to know that the build quality is top tier. Most of these brands cannot guarantee that kind of reliability. If the motor dies after 3 months, you are left with a very expensive, very odd-looking coat hanger. For the average person just trying to look sharp, a trusted name-brand steamer or a high-quality traditional iron is still the undisputed champion. The technology behind automatic garment smoothers is real, and it can work in high-end industrial settings. But this consumer version feels like it is more about the gimmick than the actual results. It is an interesting conversation piece, but as a daily tool, it likely falls short of the high bar set by those polished internet ads. You are better off sticking to the tools that actually finish the job the first time around,